Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dynamic Iceland feature in iOS 18. So there is only in iPhone 14 Pro option to enable and adjust the dynamic Iceland features. But in if you think in any iPhone you will just set or enable the dynamic Iceland feature, so that's wrong. If I just tab on Safari browser and Google it, so you will see from the X to 13 Pro there is top notch in their glass, and in 14 Pro you will see the dynamic Iceland. So make it clear, if you have 14 Pro, so you will just enable the dynamic Iceland features. So that's it. So first of all, you will have to buy the iPhone 14 Pro and use the dynamic Iceland on iPhone 14 Pro, and later you can just check alert and current activity in progress when you download the iOS 18, which is latest version. So such as a voice memo recording in progress and airdrop connection and direction from maps in the dynamic Iceland. This is the latest feature in iOS 18. So at the top of the home screen or at the top of the active app, the dynamic Iceland appears at the top of the screen. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.